In this video, we'll be looking at creating a custom date cell on the AccountsAdvanced template. For this example, we shall be looking at a date cell on a custom cover page. It is important to note that when creating a custom cover page, the year end or period end wording and the date should be in separate cells. In order to create a cell, you'll first need to have access to the Enable Editing function. If you do not have a password for Enable Editing, we would recommend that you speak to a primary user of Caseware at your firm. Once in Enable Editing, locate where you would like to insert the new cell and select Insert from the Caseware toolbar, and then select the Cell option. This will load up the Enter Cell Number screen, where you will need to give the cell a unique reference. We recommend using USX followed by a number, as this reference is not currently being used in any of the Caseware standard notes. Once a cell number has been given, select OK, which will take you to the cell setup screen. Here you will need to ensure that the cell type has been selected as date, to ensure that the correct cell type is created. Next, select the input cell tick box within the calculation properties to ensure that the information can be typed into the cell once it has been created. Within the calculated cell box, the year and date can be found by typing in CLP13, which is the database code for the year end date. Please be aware that if you insert the year end date using this code, the calculation will appear as a number, however will appear correctly as a date in the accounts, provided that the date cell type has been created. Finally, you will need to select the date option on the Properties tab on the left hand side. Here you have the option to amend the date format. The date format can be the default short format or a longer format. The sample cell will provide an example of how the date will appear in your accounts. The date format can be further amended by unticking the Use Regional Settings option and then amending the date style. Once the cell format meets your specific needs, select the OK button to confirm, which will create the cell in the location selected.